I'll be round to that table. Cut me. Somebody check on Kai.
Damn, sorry.
Ride on it, don't get tired on it. You a damn.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by OMGHerHair. They were kind of to send me another unit to review for you guys. Today is also Sip and Slay, and I do have a new one to try for you. Now I did already open her because she did have a cork, so you know this is like the real joint. All right, this is the Black Girl Magic Zinfandel. Go ahead and pour her up in my new glass that I got from Amazon last week. Y'all know I can't really get with the real wine because it be taking me out. Oh Lord, no. Oh, I instantly got warm. That's rough. Give me the sweet stuff, cause I can't. Now in this video, I will be giving myself a mommy makeover because your girl has been feeling a little just kind of like out of sorts a little bit. And I just want to give myself a little uplifting, okay, literally. So that's what I'm going to be doing today, okay? Lifting my spirits up, giving me a little look, and you know, taking y'all along with me, all right? Now we'll be showing you guys the install of this unit first. All the specs for my unit are listed right here on the screen and in the description box. Now, as always, before we get into this look, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you what I can do, 'cause I don't mind taking my time to stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby, 'cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more, like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my time. Let's stay in this bed now, never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you.
Okay, so as part of the mommy makeover, we gotta do some makeup. I mean, I gotta get the face together, okay? As always, I do my brows off camera. I am using my tried and true Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil. I'm a huge fan of this pencil, okay? But I did get some in the mail recently that I will be trying out for y'all soon. But I do have a brow tutorial on my channel, so if you guys wanna check that out, I will link it down below for you, okay? Let me go ahead and do this real quick. I'm going to prime my eye with my concealer. All the products that I'm using will be listed down below as always, so you can check that out for yourself in the description box. If it's something in particular that I have not mentioned before, I would definitely mention it in this video. Then I'm gonna take some foundation powder. Now all my brushes are right here. What's going on? Make sure my eyes are good, okay? Because I'm going for a particular look. It's weird because I don't really know what the look is or how to get to it, but I can see it in my head. Yeah. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my chocolates palette. I'm gonna use my little dark chocolate brown over here to get me this look. Like, I've just been real, like, I don't wanna say down, but bored. I just been not in the best of moods lately. You probably can't tell from my videos because once I get behind the camera, I'm sort of, you know, lively or whatever. It makes me happy, like, to sit here and talk to y'all. But when the camera turns off, it's just kind of like, I mean, I have my kids. I love my kids, but you know, I'm just lonely. I think I just miss my man. This move to Georgia was not as smooth as we would have liked it to be. I've been dealing with a lot with this house and trying to make it a home for us, and you know, getting things squared away. It was a lot that wasn't for so many words, divulged about the house before we, you know, signed on a dotted line. So, you know, that was a little frustrating. But, you know, at this point, you know, we trying to make the best of the situations. So I think in dealing with that, plus missing my husband, plus, you know, getting the kids in school, it's like I'm overwhelmed in a sense, but then I'm also bored because I don't like sitting on stuff. So once I do something, then it's done, and then I'm just kind of like, you know, drinking my feelings, you know. Maybe not that drink though. So I'm gonna use this palette right here, and I'm going to use this little burnt orangey shade that's over here. Once I find the brush that I want, I can never find, I'm always talking about I can't find a daggone brush. Good Lord. I'm gonna use that on the outside V of my eye. So I'm gonna keep on packing that in to my eye. So that's why I wanted to give myself, you know, a mommy makeover to kind of lift my spirits up. I'm not knocking nobody who wants to get surgery. I'm a little freaked out by all the cutting and slicing and dicing. I just, nope. So I'll just keep wearing my little waist trainers and my little push-up bras. That's what's gonna happen for me. If I wasn't scared, I'd be round to that table. Cut me. Okay, flip it. Okay, pull it up. There we go. I want to see what's going on. My little makeover for me time is getting my makeup together, getting my hair together, putting on a cute outfit, and taking some pictures. Give myself a little pep in my step. Okay, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna use this little tan shade over there and then pack that on my lid. If you notice, if you watch my other makeup videos, you'll see that my placement of my eyeshadows are all the same because I like the shade that it gives me when I do it like this. And this part is just going back and forth, making sure everything's blended together and looks pretty good. Nope, that's not it. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna use a little bit, I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm gonna use a little bit of this yellow shade right here, just down here. There it is, there it is. This is the nudes palette. Oh, wrong brush, wrong brush.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along?
This little nude shade right here, and put it down into my tear duct area to brighten that on up. Dog, you better not start barking. Touch back up with my yellow. Make sure that's good to go. Blend that all together like that. Gonna put a little bit of foundation on these cheeks. Y'all know the foundation, y'all know what it is. My CoverGirl joint, okay? I'm still rocking with her and she's still rocking with me. Y'all may not see the potential yet, but once we get that concealer on and blend it in, listen, that face gonna come on together. Trust the process. Oh, what's on my mouth? That look good? About to go out looking crazy. Let me fix that. I think me and Kenny are having a date night tonight, so this will be a little surprise. Because usually I be looking how I looked when I came on camera today with a little scarf and a little everything. Yeah, that's how he know me. But don't get it twisted, okay? Because I still pull him with the headscarf. You hear me? Okay, don't try me. Don't try me. To spice it up a little bit, I'm gonna do a little razzle dazzle. Okay, boop boop. Mwah. Okay, get that L'Oreal concealer going. TikTok showed me to do it like that because apparently that makes it lift it more. I don't know. People be like, oh, you don't need that much product. You just put it, you know, here and here. Oh, because that little gap matters. Like, girl, sit down. But it's okay because I'm gonna try it. It's a piece of hair somewhere on my face. I can feel it. Apart from my daggone cheap brush. I'm down to the nub on this joint, okay? But I love it, I love it. This is the Tunisia. So that's why I dig my brush in there like that, because I still get it on my brush. You see what I'm saying? Don't be throwing away them products. I'm gonna use every single drop out this joint, okay? It be getting these cheeks together, you hear me? So I be digging in them, I would say digging in them cheeks. That's not what I wanted to say. See, look at me getting ahead of myself, thinking about, you know, FaceTime later. Let me stop. I blame it on Shanice. She made me do it. Ooh, that wine got me warm. I can't be drinking all that because that's gonna have me passed out in this joint. Good thing this is not a live. This video will be over. Y'all be writing, somebody check on Kai. What am I supposed to be doing? I don't know. Supposed to be blending, duh. I put too much on my nose. I put too much on my nose. God dang it. Put a little bit of contour. Ooh, that's too much. Right in here. And get that down there so it's not messing up my, I don't want my nose to be that light, Lord. Let's bring her in a little bit. Let's blend this out like this. See? I mean, just bring it over. Oh, Oh, it still blends. Like, okay, I saved a little bit of product. Congratulations. Didn't I tell y'all this was gonna come together? Didn't I say it, huh? Some of y'all be asking me how I be getting my contour together. This is how. I like to go back in with my foundation brush and just go over the top of that concealer. Just go over those concealer lines so it's not so harsh. Okay, now to put the powder on the face, okay? On a damp sponge. It might be too damp, God dang it. Let's try this again. Okay, down the nose. Wait a minute. This one is new. I'm using the Laura Mercier. This is the translucent honey powder. Sherelle, aka Natural Joy, she tried it and she actually did like it, but she did say that she has to mix hers, I believe. So I do put it under my eyes only, on top of my translucent to give me the finish that I want. Let's go ahead and put that a little bit right up in here, like a lot. Again, nothing crazy. All right, and then I'm gonna start blending this powder in. Being a little aggressive. Let me slow down a little bit. Goodness, I don't wanna hurt myself. I'm gonna use a little bit of my L'Oreal True Match powder. This is in the color neutral? No, I'm sorry, cappuccino. Cappuccino. Take some of that under eye powder off. Keep blending that, make sure that's good to go. Oh, my hand's itching. I'm about to get some money. What's going on? Here we go. Here we go. Basking in the ambience, basking in the ambience. I didn't put on no daggone primer. Oh. How in the world did I do that? I don't, I can't believe I forgot that. Sound like my grandfather. He quick to be like, I can't believe she said that. So y'all know I don't put my eyelashes on or my lip gloss or nothing until the end. So let's go ahead and get this hair done real quick because yeah, okay, not bad, not bad. But I can do better. Who knows that movie? Who knows that movie? Tell me down below. Okay, so out the pack, she's not looking too bad. However, there is a chemical smell that comes with this unit, so you will want to wash your unit. And in washing your unit, the curls may not be like this. It is a wave texture though, so you may get a little wave back, but I'm still gonna go in and curl mine anyway, so you know, there's that. Okay, but this is kind of giving me, I was gonna leave her all down, but I think what's about to happen is I'm gonna do a little uppity up style. Okay, just gonna pull some hair out like this and twist this on down like that. And then I'm gonna get this hair pulled on back. Let me just part this off like this. Braid that down like that. Some flyaways on this joint. Let me get this hair back. We don't want those out in the open. Now this is a 13x6 lace frontal. There is 6 inches of parting here in the middle. However, on the sides, it's a little short. It's about, I would say you get about 1.5 to 2 inches. Let's get that up here like this. I'll take my scissors. So I'll start cutting that like that. I'm gonna take some of my even edge control, put a little bit on my brush, and get this swooping. I'm gonna tie this down so that it does not move. My lace is a little ashy, so let me go ahead and fix that with my foundation powder and my contour shade. Because we don't want that. I can't have Kenny clocking me on video chat, because you know he'll do it. And wrap this. Spray it again. Smooth it again. Wait till I put these lashes on. It's gonna be over for you jigaboos. I ain't got no sense. I ain't got no sense. Just keep curling. Just keep curling. Uh-oh. This color is real pretty, y'all. Now on the site, she looks a lot lighter than what I got. But, you know, what I got, I'm not mad at. I like this color. I'm not saying it was ugly or nothing, but it wasn't gonna be cute on me. Just the tones of it was a little bit too light for me, so. I'm coming up. We getting it going. We getting, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, that was hot on my chest. Lord. I'm glad I did this style. I'm glad I did this style. I wasn't too sure she was gonna come out how I wanted her to, but I think she coming together. Now the dark blue is a little bit longer than I would think she would be, but it actually makes it look a little natural. It's not too harsh either in my opinion, so it kind of works out. This side was a little bit more limp than the other one, so I'm just fixing up these curls real quick. I don't know what happened. I thought, did I not curl this side? I don't know what happened to this side, but the curls were just non-existent. So let me not burn my face off, because this joint is hot. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm barely breathing with this thing. Give it to me, baby. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of my Sleek and Shine on this hair right here, just to get this flyaway together, because there's one right here in my face. Okay, so wait, hold on. Where is it? What the heck? Where you come from? God dang. So while this is waiting to set, I'm gonna put on my eyelashes real quick. Ooh, what I tell y'all? What I tell y'all? These lashes be taking me from whodunit and why to don't forget the wash rag. Hey, Kenny. Let's do a little bit of blush. I'm gonna do a mixture of these two right here. Well, I'm gonna do a mixture of this color and this color and that one. That's what I'm gonna do. So it's Yara B and Tao 2. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Okay, but let me change my shirt real quick, because I feel like this deserves a whole nother shirt. Hold on. Okay, so that's a lot better. So now let's do our lips. So now I'm just lining my lips using my bare lip liner. And then I'm gonna go on top of that with my Cardi Galore Champagne Gloss. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of my Fenty Glow. Like that. I think so. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight, just a little bit. Ooh, y'all, look how we coming together. What did I tell y'all? What did I tell y'all? Now let's go ahead and fix this hair. Let me tease this one right here, just to make sure it's sitting how I want her to sit. Gonna spray some hairspray on top of there. I'm gonna use my pick and just get that together like that. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Ooh, this color is gorgeous. Woo, child. Okay, y'all, so what are we thinking about this look? Listen. Okay, cause oh yeah, oh yes. This color is the one. I am, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. Do I have any cons for this joint? I mean, if I'm being nitpicky, I would like for the hairline to be a little bit more plucked than it is, but because I don't mind plucking my units, I can definitely go in and do that myself. And it's holding the curls real nice. The texture is not super silky. It's definitely not yucky, but it does have some texture to it. Listen, Ooh. I still can't do it. I still can't do it. If you plan on giving yourself a mommy makeover this weekend, let me know down below, okay? Because, you know, we deserve it, okay? Even if you're not a mommy, if you want to give yourself a me makeover, go ahead and do that too, okay? Same things. Shout out one more time to OMGHerHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. All my specs and the direct link for this unit, as well as the coupon code, will be listed down below. So if you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.